Hey, so we're given this problem and they want us to find the domain and the range of this function. All right, so our function says f of z is equal to log base 5 of 4z plus 7. All right, so the basic shape of any log graph looks like this. This is log of x. All right, so this inside stuff tells me my domain, and I know that my looking at like this base graph that we have, our domain is from 0 to positive infinity. All right. Because if I pick a number over here and plug it in, like if I pick -1, log of -1 doesn't make sense because you can't raise something to a power and get a negative number unless you had a negative down here. But usually we deal with positive logarithms. So you can't take a positive number down here, raise it to some power, and get a negative number. It just doesn't work. So for this, this is going to be like our vertical asymptote. Our vertical asymptote here is x equals 0. So we're going to set this inside stuff equal to 0. 4z plus 7 equals 0. And this is going to be our new vertical asymptote. So we're going to subtract 7. 4z equals -7, divide by 4, divide by 4. We get z is equal to -7/4. This is our vertical asymptote. We moved our vertical asymptote over to the left. So we have our graph is going to look something like this is -7/4. Our vertical asymptote is going to be right here, and our graph is going to look something like this. All right, and I encourage you to plug it into Desmos and see what you get. But we're going to have our domain is going to be all the numbers that are greater than -7/4, but not including 7/4. So we're going to have -7/4 to infinity, not including -7/4. And our range is going to be from -infinity to positive infinity because this function keeps going up. It keeps going up like that, in that direction. So it goes from -infinity to infinity. And this would be my final answer.